Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking for Cancer and Chronic Disease. My name is Angela Zaccanini. I am a registered dietitian for the Wellness and Integrative Oncology program located here on the third floor of Hillman Cancer Center. And we are in our teaching kitchen today with a special guest. This is Kevin Blinn. He is the chef for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Thank you, Kevin, for being with us today.
Absolutely, it's an honor.
Okay, so Kevin, how did you get to be where you are at today?
Well, the company I work for is Parkhurst Dining, which I've been with for 20 years, is contracted into the Steelers. So just a lot of hard work and dedication to my craft to get me to the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Awesome. And you've been there for how long?
11 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And you did go to culinary school. You're from Pittsburgh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Went to Le Cordon Bleu. Unfortunately, they have closed, but that was my culinary school.
Okay. Cool. Well, thank you again for being with us. We're very excited.
Yes.
A lot of our requests were for knife skills.
Okay.
Which I was actually surprised about. I thought they wanted you to come in and make some, you know, 5-star meal, but
we'll start slow and then we'll get there.
Love it. Okay.
Absolutely.
So I do have a couple questions for you related to knives, I guess, knife skills. So is there, you know, a certain number of knives or type of knife you should have in the kitchen?
I would think the best one would be your 10-inch, 8-inch chef knife.
Okay.
You know, to start, that's what I would start with if I was to get new knives.
Okay, okay. And then I did read somewhere online that a chef's knife, a paring knife, and a serrated knife are like the most common, I guess,
to get you started, that would be, you know, great to have.
Okay.
Then you can get into a fillet knife or anything else after that.
Okay, yeah, have some fun with it, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. Get your knife skills first, though.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you don't want to lose any fingers.
Right. And any brand that you prefer?
See, it's all in comfort. If you like the feel of it, then that's what you go for.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. So
and if you're a beginner, you don't have to spend all that kind of money to get a great knife. Just get something that feels right in your hand.
Good to know. Because we have here a $50 Amazon block, and they're awful.
Right.
Which we also made the mistake of putting them in our dishwasher.
Yes, which you never do.
Coming from the chef.
Just do hot, soapy water, sanitize them, dry them off. The dishwasher could bend them, bow them.
Okay. And do you dry them right away?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. See, all good things to know.
Yes.
And let's talk sharpening.
Yes. So this is steel. You know, keep it at a 45-degree angle. Just sharpen like that.
Oh.
Then you can get faster someday.
And is it worth, I guess, investing in having one of these at home?
Most kits come with them, but I would invest into it because, you know, you can get those sharpeners that you can, but they're just not that good.
Okay.
If you buy a better knife, you can also use the steel to sharpen it.
Okay.
And it'll keep it.
Good to know. And I heard some people will take their knives somewhere to get sharpened.
Yeah, you can do that, or you can buy the kit, the sharpener kit.
Okay.
That's all in your
other
preference.
Options.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have a company that comes in and does our knives, so that is a bonus to us.
Can we get them shipped out to here?
I will have them come here. Absolutely.
Okay, and how often do you sharpen them?
Every time. As soon as I start a project, I sharpen it. And I sanitize it.
Okay, well, we're doing it all wrong here, and that's why,
okay.
you know, we're not chefs.
That's okay.
Okay, so I think those were my main questions related to knives, and then our part 2 is going to be us actually using those knives and getting in there and showing me some tips and tricks.
Maybe a little competition. We have some peppers here. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, thanks again. We'll see you next time.
Yep.